Let's go look. You ready?
Oh, I don't hear him.
You gotta go in.
Mommy, I can't hear him.
Let's go find him.
He's here somewhere.
You do.
I see. He's not here.
Where do you think he is?
There he is. He's in there.
Do you see him?
No. Where is he?
Well, go closer so you can see him.
There he is. He's looking at me.
What do you think of him?
He's blue.
He is. What do you want to name him?
Bluebird.
You want to name him Bluebird? Well, that's a cool name.
He goes in there.
He does. Do you want to take him out of the cage to play with him?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take our shoes off and our coat
Does
off.
he talk?
We're going to teach him how to talk.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
He likes to talk.
He likes to talk?
He likes to talk to me.
He does.
He likes toys all the time.
He does like to play with toys.
Yeah, my toys are like his toys.
Yeah, you're going to share your toys with him?
Can I take my gloves off?
Sure.
He likes my gloves.
He does.
He likes red gloves.
He does.
He looked at my red gloves of them are cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah, cool.
Did he think they were cool?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.